In this edition of Sailing Doodles, we take some scooters to an elephant sanctuary where Laura gets all wet. This channel would not be possible without our patrons. Thank you so much. You become a patron for as little as $1. And there's still time to register for the Sailing Doodles Flotilla with Group Island Spirit in Thailand. It's Elephant Sanctuary Day. We get a scooter. We're gonna go ride it to a meeting point to get in a van to go to the scooter sanctuary.
I'm gonna ride you on the scooter to...
That we could go to jail for that in Thailand.
You just had to wear a helmet.
Oh, right, yeah.
Then you're good.
I know we look super cool in our helmets, but riding around in Thailand, it's not just a good idea, it's the law. We met up at the local McDonald's with the van that would take us to the sanctuary. We are at the Happy Elephant Home. This is kind of like a rescue center, non-riding type place. So we get to be elephant handlers for the day. First thing we're gonna do is change into some clothes that they provide, because apparently, you know, whatever they wash them in and they smell, whatever, they're used to the clothes.
Get rid of human scent.
Right, so so the elephants are used to that, so we're gonna put those clothes on. Maybe we'll smell like elephants.
I'm not ready.
It's the new fashion trend. All right, so now we are in our official elephant caregiving clothing.
And Bobby has a purse.
Right. Yeah. Oh, now we get more.
This is elephant food basket.
Elephant food
This
basket.
is what I wanted. Give him some snacks.
Thank you.
Do the spin, baby.
Okay, you need a elephant food basket. The elephant waiting for you out there.
Okay, so the plan for the day is we're gonna prepare our food and then go out in the field with them, and we're gonna like let them get used to us. We're gonna feed them and stuff like that. They said that most of these elephants, some of them were born here. They have about 6 or 7 elephants, and some of them were from rescue logging companies.
Rocks.
Logging.
I thought it was rocks.
No, logging. So what they do is they cut down a tree and then they have the elephants like pull the logs, and so you know.
In Cambodia and Malaysia, but
right.
not Thailand.
Yeah, so we'll check them out now. The first thing to do is to load up with the elephant's favorite snacks, bananas and sugar cane.
This one, his name is Dinner.
The elephants are getting excited. You can see them over there.
Welcome to Happy Elephant Home. Sawadee krap.
The elephants were looking very excited to see us, but really they were just looking for the food.
Yeah. Okay, guys, come out. Yeah, come out. Your time. Alright, your time. Alright. Your time. Alright, it's okay, yeah.
Here you go, babe.
Bên away. Vô, thoải mái.
Whoa, right in the mouth.
Hey, guy.
Hi, baby. Hi. I'm surrounded.
He's being hugged.
Yeah.
Look at that. Wow.
Hi.
Wow, you're a big guy there.
I'm gonna have to go back and get more.
You got sugar cane right there.
Oh, he wants to give it back?
He wants 2.
Well, they said whatever the kids want.
Yeah. It's a little intimidating. Like, I mean, they're big guys and they're coming real close up in your face.
They're in my basket.
Yeah.
Well, I got two at the same time.
So, he's trying to take all of it.
I know he is.
Ah! They don't eat meat, but I'm still afraid he's gonna like bite my hand by accident if I put it in his mouth. You want it? Yeah? Here you go.
I wonder if he's the 45-year-old. He's the biggest.
Ah, that guy's bigger.
This one kind of. Hello. Ah!
Okay. You've got like 3 in your mug already.
Help yourself.
They're really dexterous with their with their trunk. They can like manipulate you, and they got snot coming out of
It's
it.
like a double snorkel.
Yeah. And I mean, they can like they're throwing food up in their mouths. Here you go. So you hand him that guy, and he just like grabs it like fingers, and then
Well, I heard they can
grab that.
smell stuff from like miles away. Isn't that an elephant fun fact?
I don't know.
Whoa. They just put it right like here.
All right. After feeding the elephants, we took them down to get a mud bath.
She looking for food.
Watch the tail.
So that one is Jumbo, a male. I wonder if I get demonetized for showing elephant penis on YouTube.
You could always blur it.
But basically they call him Jumbo because he has a 5th leg.
And we didn't make that up. That's their word.
Yeah, it's their joke.
That's a quote.
Just going for a walk with an elephant.
Is that Jumbo? Should we be scared?
I don't know.
Take a lot of photos with the elephant.
I'm videoing it.
Oh.
Scratching her butt.
They have no finger.
Yeah.
Their skin thick, 1 inch thick.
Yeah.
1 inch.
Well, I've seen Laura do that same
Insect
thing.
bite.
What?
Rubbing your butt on stuff.
Thank you.
What about snake?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Try, smell it. One
I'll
person,
smell it.
yeah, just smell it. Smell anything?
Ooh, no, I don't actually.
Elephant cannot keep food so much long.
Huh.
Every 1 hour, elephant poo out. That's why they are not smell. It's not smell. A lot of poo, they smell. But elephant smell it.
He rubbed his head on the other guy's butt.
That's love.
Wow. I think elephants were the first all-terrain vehicles.
This is where elephants like the mud, is behind the ears.
I'm sure there's no elephant poo at all in that. No. No, stop it. All right.
Okay, I'll stop.
All right.
Okay.
No, go ahead. Stop it. Oh.
Do any more elephants need some mud? Does this one need mud?
Hả?
Does this elephant need any mud?
Oh yeah. Đây ba, mama. Cái này. Có phải ba? Ơi.
After a quick shower, it was time for the lunch that was included with the tour. Well, Chong in Thai is elephant, so we're drinking Chong beer with lunch. Alright, so a nice little lunch. Now we've got more food for the elephants. She's got a big old sugar cane. And we're gonna meet up with the elephants and walk them down to the river where we're gonna bathe with them.
Guess who needs it?
Yeah, you need it bad. So, should be fun.
Chop đi, chop. Chop.
Is that a hiss?
Chop. No. Now
Smell me out!
she doesn't need to make a hug. She loves to eat. She loves to eat first.
Yeah. Alright, so the plan is we've got food. The elephants will follow us as we walk to the river. Oh yeah, here they come.
Oh, the
little baby. Yeah.
He sees my basket, I think.
Uh-huh.
He doesn't know it's empty.
Well,
Let's
there's...
see what's gonna happen here.
But,
Look it. There it goes. It's a dud.
Be careful your banana.
oh yeah, he's trying to steal it. Hey, watch it. What's up, man? How you doing? Hey, hey.
Trotting. He's running to keep up with you.
So there's what they call mahouds, which are their minders. And oh, he's coming up behind me. And basically, the mahouds stay with them 24/7, 365 days a year to protect them, to kind of watch over them and everything. You know, I asked him if it's because of poachers or anything. He said no, it's mostly just to take care of the animals. I don't think there's too much poaching here anymore, but there used to be a lot of it.
I think this is the perfect job for me.
Yeah, minding it. You want to?
I just want to live with an elephant.
You want to see how much they probably get paid? Not much.
And just roll around.
Yeah.
I mean, call me Jane, Tarzan.
Uh-huh.
You can look on the floor. You can see the shit.
Oh yeah. Hey buddy. I don't know, he was trying. He wants to see the car or something.
Banana. Okay, we want this left.
Hello.
I have one ready.
Yeah.
Here you go.
All right, hang on.
Hold these.
Hey, buddy. Okay. All right. Yeah. Don't run over me.
Just put water on elephant, the baby elephant in water. Okay? You can see the baby gonna die. The baby like the water so much. Diving! And finish. So you leave your stuff together here because of we can take care of your stuff. I think you should finish the banana now better. To finish it.
Laura wanted to go swimming with the elephants. There you go.
Let me get this mud off my face.
You realize I just saw a piece of poo floating by.
I know.
It's a little chilly.
I've been like, what, elephant poo baptized or something like that now. David, that's a mixture of elephant snot, you know that. Go
Look at it.
I like it.
That'd be a good one. So it was a fun time at the river there.
I think it's the best date you've ever taken me on.
Yeah, there you go. So it was about, for two people, it's $75 each, so 150 bucks, which is a bit pricey for Thailand, but I think it's totally worth it. I was a little skeptical thinking, nah, but it was good.
They picked us, well,
Pick us up.
transportation, lunch, all from 9 to 5.
Yeah, it's a long day, so you schedule pretty much a whole day for it, but definitely worth it. There'll be a link in the show notes. Like I said, I mean, we're not affiliated with them or anything like that. We didn't get a discount. It's just for businesses and stuff that we like, we help promote them. So.
And these are happy, healthy, rescued elephants.
Yeah, they don't ride them here or anything like that. So
No one gets on them.
yeah. All right, so I think we're heading back to camp now. I'm not sure what else we have left, but maybe it might be it, not sure. Thank you for watching. Please click that subscribe button and the little bell next to it if you'd like to be notified when we post a video. And thank you so much to our patrons. We could not do this without you. You can become a patron for as little as $1.